Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome back to our another video. Today topic about digital marketing. What is digital marketing and how can earn money from digital marketing? Digital marketing is a system of update method marketing. Like last time or before we do marketing about our product the analog way, like field we go field and we the marketing about our product, but now this is the digital world, so we have to move digital way and we have to learn our business on digital way. That's why we have to do everything in digital way. Digital marketing is a huge sector, like its biggest field. There's a lot of part: Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, Likey, and then so many more. But you have to choose which platform do you want to use for your product. And it's depend on country. Now TikTok is a most popular and reasonable marketplace for selling product. If you want to sell your product on TikTok, you can, and it's very easy and it's a very cheap marketing way. Or if you want to do marketing on Google, you can, but it's expensive and it's depend on your country, which country you in live. So my suggestion, if you want to really do digital marketing, then you have to recharge, and then you will get the best solution. Which market you should choose? Instagram is a very biggest platform for marketing, and it's the best platform for influencer marketing. If you want to do influencer marketing, then you should choose Instagram. Instagram is best marketplace, especially Asian and Europe, all over the world is the best marketplace. And Facebook also you can do. Facebook is the very biggest marketplace, but Facebook is now day by day becoming expensive and a competitor. People can easily do market on Facebook. That's why people are moved on Facebook by for doing marketing. So today I try to explain about digital marketing. Next video I will suggest some best marketplace for you. Thank you so much.